Creating assignments in Schoology. Let's begin. First, you need to go to Add Materials in the given place you want to place this assignment. So for example, I created a folder, Unit 1, Ideal Graduate. So I'm going to go to Add Materials, Add Assignment. Okay, so there's a couple things that we need to add in this assignment for it to happen. These are the must-haves. So that would be name, category, factor, type of rubric, and those are the bare minimums. We're going to fill out a little bit more here just so I can show you my intentions for this assignment. So we're going to name this Curation of Ideas. And in here, I already typed up an assignment that we're going to add in here. So I'm just going to copy and paste. So under description, I typically like to add in instructions that you can add into creating your assignment. So within that, just give you a little idea of the text editor here. You can change the text color to make some items stand out. So we're going to bold and turn that into blue. We do have this as a link here. So you can place the link right within the body of the text. The other thing that you can do is also go into the link at the bottom. As you see, there's the file, the link, the resource, video recording, and external tools. So for this particular lesson, we're going to add the link. And if I click this here, it will auto grab the title. So if this is not the title that you are seeking, you can go in and you can type in the title of your choice. All right, so we're going to click attached. The other thing that you can do here is you can link this right within. So as you see, it gives the title, link URL. So you can do the link URL here and change this title, for example. Oh, click insert. So now this becomes a clickable item also. Again, you can add images right in here. So if you want to get all fancy, and let's see, we could add insert image. Okay, so we're going to upload, put in this image here, and you can go ahead and shrink that down. Okay, just like this. So now we have the name, the description or instructions, giving it a little bit of an image. We have an attachment here. So basically what I'm asking my participants to do for this assignment is to put in their ideas on this Wakelet to curate ideas. Okay. We're going to go down to due date. So you may have an option of a due date. A lot of the courses that I make with adults are at your own pace. I never set a due date. But for this, we will set the due date of April 30th at midnight. You can give it a grading category because I don't do any grading, and we'll talk about grading more in a little bit. I'm going to keep this as ungraded, okay? In your Schoology Enterprise, you might have a set grading period set here, the factor in which it will be graded, the type of rubric that you will be using. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and click create. So I could show you what that looks like as the teacher side, and then we'll flip over to the student side. So if we click in here, curation of ideas. Okay, so here I am as a student, and let me just show you how I was asking the student to complete this assignment. So I'm going to go in, click the assignment as a student, and I'm going to see that I'm going to create some ideas. So what are some skills and dispositions that I would like to see my graduates have? And I'm asking to contribute on this Wakelet. Let me know by submitting that they completed this assignment so I know that they contributed as well. So if they go to submit assignment, and I ask them to go to create. So in this, if you were asking them to upload, say you didn't have your Microsoft or Google connected to your Schoology, you could definitely have them upload their items, or say it was an image they were uploading. They can go into their resources and upload anything from there, or they can go into create and they can create the assignment in here. For this, I just asked them to leave me a message that they completed, they contributed to the Wakelet. So once they click submit, I know that I can go to this curation of resources to see what in fact they did add. And then on my end, I can go into the lesson and see who submitted the assignments. Okay, so all they told me was completed. Then I would know that I would have to go to this Wakelet to check on their curation of ideas.